guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. So Heidi's, she got her new gloves and welding helmet and all that good stuff. Is it working?
Well, that one wasn't so freaking. That one wasn't so great.
It's getting better though.
But, oh, it's stuck in my hair. How come you don't have
I don't go
that
through this crap.
Oh.
What's uh-oh mean?
Well, at least uh-oh is a good laugh.
So you still burning holes or is it
Nope,
working?
I think what's happening is I should probably go see my eye doctor, Dr. Dalen, IQ Optometric, Grand Rapids, Minnesota.
No, because he always hits on me.
He's the bomb. He does not hit on you.
Yes, he does.
He's friendly. Stop.
Oh, he's friendly, all right.
Oh my God. What if he watches your videos? You're a jerk.
I don't care.
That's all right. He's the best.
Everybody on this channel knows I don't care anyways.
He is the smartest guy ever, and he'll help me know how I can see to weld. Anyway.
No, he is a badass eye doctor though. He
he's-
fixed my eyes that day, but like when we left that day, my eyes were all jacked up until they were better, and then they're way better than what they were, you know?
He's so smart, but he'll be able to tell me what I need to do because I'm a wackadoodle.
So are we gonna talk about eye doctors all day, or you know what?
Oh, we can if you need to. So, anyway, I just keep thinking I'm one place and I'm not because I'm not seeing it correctly.
All right, so what I was showing her is show the position you were doing. I was showing her that like when you're welding, it helps a lot when you get your hands in the positions and you're choked up on the stinger and the trigger, because she's got a finger that's cut off, so she's got to be careful with that because it gets tender. And I told her, you know, use your middle finger here for the trigger, and then hold, you know, choke up around the gun here.
My little three-quarter finger.
Three-quarter finger. But she's doing good. I mean, she's, you know, it's not easy to weld sheet metal, and you guys know that. So she's doing awesome. And she's doing quick bursts. So it's, you know, there you go.
Is it good?
That's beautiful.
Of course it is. I'm gonna come over here. Where's that hole I burnt? Right there. See, that's what was happening before.
Yep. But if you slow down and do the bottom and then go up to the top like we were talking about,
Yeah.
and then I can put that copper behind those holes too, where you can weld.
Okay, I might have you do that. Let me get around them though.
Yep.
But it was a lesson today for sure because I wasn't thinking that I was holding it too long, but I was definitely holding it too long.
Yeah, it doesn't take much on sheet metal, and that's what people don't realize is you can't just weld the crap. You know, you got to go quick little zaps, boom, boom, boom. Pull the trigger quick, like 5 times, and then let it cool and go to the next spot, right?
No. I can see you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you just made me blink. Do it again. You slacker. I didn't work that time. And I have my handy dandy little stool. I'm probably ergonomically correct and shit.
See? Look at that beautiful weld.
Hands to the air.
Which one was it? I only know now.
It was the pretty one right there.
Yeah, so see, that's working.
Yes, it is.
All right, just keep doing what you're doing.
That doesn't feel as good. I burned a hole.
Where at? Which one you at now?
There, right there.
Yeah, but see, you filled it. If you keep going, without making it real hot, come back to that one and do the same thing next to it. That's the thing is, you gotta have patience, and it's
Well,
very
I
methodical.
definitely have patience.
Oh my God, you have no patience.
I have. Oh my God. Really?
Okay, you've been with me for how many years? You got patience.
Yeah, I definitely have patience. And it's not just you. For real, it's not.
Really?
Yes. I also have Chase. I have a child who is me reincarnated. I have to have a lot of patience. Okay, I'm taking my patience and I'm welding.
This is Heidi
How
hour.
many?
Oh my God.
But I'd rather ask you before I do like 500 spot welds. Like, how much do you want me to weld in? Shouldn't I be practicing TIG welding since I'm, a new welder?
Yes, we could practice TIG welding, but I would like you to whip sheet metal on MIG welding first.
Watch me weld.
What's MIG stand for? Remember?
I was making a joke. I don't remember.
What does TIG stand for?
tungsten inert gas.
All right. See, she pays attention. She's learning.
Watch
She's
me
doing
whip.
good.
I'm whipping.
You're what?
I'm whipping. Like that song, Watch Me Whip?
Just lay some dimes, like you say.
No, I didn't lay. I think I
Lay
said-
some coins.
lay some coins. Make some coins.
Come on, hurry up before everybody hates you more. Let's
I
go.
know, they really do too. I probably. Ooh.
So we're on 5 minutes of the video right now, and you've done 3 welds.
Shut up.
I wonder why it takes her so long.
Shut your face. I either need a new stool or a new floor.
I need a new grill.
I could fix that for you right now. Over the labor lady you were crushing on.
Whatever.
You got a girlfriend and she's not me.
Oh my lord.
Mother fricker. Darn it.
Burn a hole?
Yep. Okay, now, did we make the verdict that this has a dip over the wheel well? Because remember, this was dipped in.
I don't know. Let me get off this damn camera. So to tell you quickly what the story was with this car, it's a 65 or 66 Plymouth Fury 2. And the guy brought some quarter panels to me, and they were the wrong ones. So we ended up cutting those apart and smashing them almost flat and reprofiling them and making them work. And
More
then
accurately, the right ones are almost impossible to find.
what do you mean the right ones? So they do make them aftermarket or no?
They make them aftermarket, but not for this car. Sorry, guys.
But not for the
for this particular
Plymouth
one.
Fury.
So his
What is it
son
called?
has a Sport Fury.
Sport
and
Fury, yeah.
can get the panels, but
Yeah.
he couldn't find the right ones for this one exactly.
Yeah.
They're a little bit different. So I mean, he could get the parts, but they're not perfect. I mean, you see that a lot in Mopar stuff, though. When we've had a few Mopar cars we've done,
Yeah.
isn't that? I mean,
Yeah,
wouldn't you
that's
say
true.
That's kind of been like the way of it. It's
Or
like
you get
close.
or they show up at your shop and there's forklift holes in them.
or the and an unfortunate freight driver.
So I got a really cool gift in the mail today from one of our viewers, and it's Dan Allen, and I want to thank you, brother. I really appreciate that, man. Thanks so much. This little hammer is amazing. It's an antique, I guess it'd be like a children's tool set, back in the 50s or 60s. But look how beautiful this thing is. And I am not going to touch this thing. I mean, like I was telling Heidi, I want to put it, on the wall of our showroom, or maybe put it in the shop here, hang it up. And then this thing, oh my gosh. How cool is that? Saxon. This is just cool. So this is, nut and bolt sizes here. And then if you look in the center, this centerpiece is a die for fixing the threads on bolt studs or whatever. And it's got the different sizes, thread pitch and all that in there. How cool is that? Anyways, thanks so much for sending that to me from Canada. I really appreciate that. That meant a lot. And if I get a chance, I'll try to send something back to you, brother. Thank you so much. Well, like a dumbass, I had the tripod set up right here and I was showing how to fix a dent right here, but I ended up not hitting the damn record button. I use this hammer here with that, concave face in it, and that way this body line stays the same. You're not flattening it out, and then that hammer sits in there the same shape as that body line, where it comes down off of there. And then I use a block sander afterwards to block it different directions to see where I'm at, and it took the whole dent out except for that little tiny spot right there. And I'm not even gonna mess with that because that's got to come out from the inside, and it's not worth putting a stud puller on there. Primer will fill that, so we're good there. And everything else on the body's pretty close. There's a bunch of little spots I gotta hit. There's like a small, where I put this X, there's a small low spot or something right here, little divot. I hammered that out. But I'll keep jamming along. A couple low spots right here. But it's nice, this one's going fast as hell. So, you know, this one should be out of here in a week or so. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut this video short. I got a lot of stuff to do. I wanna get jamming on this thing and try to get it finished off. But if you can please go check out our other channels, NZ Mopar on YouTube, Mill Creek Fab Shop, Michael Knight, DG Retro Customs, and Ralphie's Customs. Thanks for watching. Later. You guys know who Wayne Reynolds is?